In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to Google Drive step by step using the 2025 web interface. By the end, you'll be able to bring your Google Drive files into OneDrive without downloading and re-uploading them manually. All you need is a desktop browser and access to both accounts. Start by opening OneDrive in your desktop browser. Sign in to the OneDrive account where you want the files to land. Using a modern browser like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox helps ensure everything loads correctly and that any prompts display as expected. Once you're in OneDrive, look to the top bar and click the Settings gear icon. It's typically in the upper right corner and opens a panel or page with your account and app controls. From there, select Options. Then, in the left sidebar, choose Import Cloud Photos and Files. This is where OneDrive centralizes all the tools for bringing content in from other services, so you don't have to juggle multiple tabs or downloads. A pop-up will appear with available cloud connections. Click Connect to Google Drive. If nothing shows up, check whether your browser blocked the pop-up and allow it for the OneDrive site so the window can open. This connection is secure and designed to authorize OneDrive to import content from your Google Drive. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. If you use more than one Google account, choose the one that actually holds the files you want. Review the permissions on the screen so you understand what OneDrive can access. Then click Allow to continue. This doesn't delete or move anything in Google Drive. It simply authorizes OneDrive to read and import your selected files. Once the connection is established, you can import files from Google Drive into OneDrive directly. You'll typically see options to browse your Google Drive and choose what to bring over. Keep in mind that imported items count against your OneDrive storage quota, and large imports might take time to complete. You can continue working in your browser while the import runs in the background. If you're organizing a lot of material, importing in smaller batches can make it easier to track progress and keep your OneDrive tidy. If you also use other services, you can repeat the same process to connect options like Dropbox or Google Photos. Return to the Import Cloud Photos and Files section, pick the service you want, and authorize it the same way. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.